how cute he is. Look at him, guys. Look at the little puppy. There's Brenda eating. Or not. Never mind, I don't want to watch that. She's doing something nasty.
Oh, shut up! I was eating fat. I had to get it out of my mouth. I didn't realize I was eating fat.
Are you cutie pie? Yeah, we went to the mall today. We were gonna videotape there, but I didn't feel like carrying this camera around all day, so I didn't bring it. I'm sorry. Anyways, here's Snow. Oh, baby. Fine. Be like that. Go. Hi, Brenda. Hi. Don't flip that. Be funny. That's not funny.
I got my haircut today.
We all took a video of that. She got layers, guys. She got layers. So excited. As you can tell, she's excited. Alright, I'm ending with her eating chicken.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Get another piece of...
Hold
so
on.
you can really end on eating.
Alright, hold on, guys. She's getting there.
You're welcome up!
She's getting there.
Darn you, chicken. Okay, there we go.
Bye.